Okay, folks, story time, and this time it's another children's story, another children's literature that I decided to use just because I'm starting to get fond of children's literature because one, they're really short and easy to do. Two, they're really easy to understand at a basic level, and three, they're just easier to write and articulate. After some reviewing and evaluating and just reevaluation of the feedback that I get from a lot of the viewers for these literature series videos, I have decided to not really translate them and just read them straight off. I get the feedback that a lot of you just want to hear how the language sounds like and how it flows, and just for your understanding as well. So I will be doing that for y'all. However, I guess I can still translate some words and stuff like that and explain some grammar concepts. What have we? This story is called Ang Isdang Malipayon, which means the happy fish, okay? Ang Isdang Malipayon. And it's written by ang istorya ni Marilu M. Nuevo. So written by Marilu M. Nuevo, Nuevo meaning new in Spanish. Dibuhon ni Paolo M. Alejandre, which he is the illustrator of this story if you buy the book or story, and gipresenta ni Just for Kicks. Yours truly, I am the one that is presenting this story to y'all. So I guess we can begin. Si Tamis, ang usa ka isdang gamay nga pinangga sa iyang nanay. Gipaeskwela siya ug ihatod kada adlaw sa iyang sa iyang nanay sa eskwelahan. Pagbiya sa iyang nanay, mulakaw dayon siya ug dili mosulod sa iyang klase. Wala gyud siya na antiguhan. Gani, maglisod siya bisan sa pagbasa. Usa ka higayon ni Ana, mitan-aw siya og kalingawan. Giduol siya sa iyang mga higala ug gibutangan ang iyang likod og dili ko kaantigo. Wala siya nasabtan kay dili man siya kaantigo umubasa. Gikataw-an siya sa iyang mga amigo tungod kay dili kaantigo si Tamis mobasa. Mipauli na lang siya nga naghilak ug naingon, sugod karon magtarong nako. Musulod nako sa akong klase, matud pa ni Tamis. Gikan niyaton nga panghitabo, nagtarong na si Tamis sa iyang pag-eskwela. Nakamao og maayo nagyud siya mobasa. Siya pa ang nanguna sa ilang klase. Nahibal-an kini sa iyang mga higala ug nangayo sila og pasaylo ngadto kang Tamis. Malipayon nga magsuroy-suroy si Tamis sa ilang dapit uban sa ilang mga higala. So basically this fish, right? This fish is pretty much someone who just couldn't read and he didn't really care or was just carefree about it. He just wanted to have fun. And until one day his friends played a joke on him and he was saddened by it. So what he did was he fixed himself by going to school and learning how to read. And then in the end, he was the top of his class, and his friends who made fun of him wanted to become friends with him because they're like, oh, I'm sorry. I want to say I'm sorry for what we did. And that's pretty much the summary of the story in English. So I hope this story can help you with your listening and understanding if you didn't get the gist of it.